This is the 2026 BMW Z4, and it is time to say goodbye. BMW has officially announced that this is the final year for the iconic Roadster. Production is set to end in March 2026, and to ensure it goes out with a bang, BMW is releasing the exclusive final edition. But this isn't just a styling package. This is a love letter to driving purists. The headline? The legendary 3.0-liter B58 engine is finally staying paired with a 6-speed manual transmission in the range-topping M40i. In a world of heavy EVs and automatic-only SUVs, the Z4 stands as a lightweight, rear-wheel drive sanctuary. Today, we're looking at the exclusive final edition details, the Handschalter manual setup, and why this might be the last real BMW Roadster ever made. Under that long, classic hood lies one of the best engines ever made, the 3.0-liter M twin-power turbo inline-6. In the M40i, it pumps out a healthy 382 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. The big news for 2026 is the continuation and focus on the Handschalter package. This isn't just a transmission swap, it's a complete chassis overhaul. You get unique auxiliary springs, a reinforced front anti-roll bar, and specifically retuned software for the variable sports steering and rear dampers. The result? A 0 to 60 time of just 4.2 seconds with the automatic, or a slightly slower but infinitely more rewarding 4.6 seconds with the manual. It's about the connection to the machine, the mechanical notchiness of the gear set, and the hand-shift engagement that has defined BMW for decades. To mark the end of a line, the final edition brings a darker, more aggressive visual identity. The standout feature is the exclusive BMW individual frozen black metallic paint, a matte finish that makes the Z4 look like a stealth fighter. It's accented by the M high-gloss shadow line trim, which blacks out the kidney grille, mirror caps, and exhaust finishers. To add a pop of contrast, BMW has fitted high-gloss red M sport brakes. You'll also notice the staggered wheel setup, 19-inch alloys in the front and 20-inch in the rear, previously reserved for high-performance M cars. It gives the Roadster a more muscular, planted stance that screams collector's item. This model will be produced in very small numbers between February and April of 2026, so the window to own one is incredibly short. Inside, the final edition stays true to its performance roots with a black and red theme. You get Vernasca leather and Alcantara seats with distinctive red stitching that extends to the dashboard and door panels. My favorite touch? The M Alcantara steering wheel and the final edition engraved door sills that greet you every time you step in. Technology-wise, the Z4 actually sticks with iDrive 7 rather than the newer curved displays found in the 3 Series. For a driver's car, this is actually a win. You get physical buttons for climate control and more traditional, focused layout. The 2026 BMW Z4 is a bittersweet farewell. It represents the end of the gas-powered, 2-door Roadster lineage for BMW. If you've ever wanted a car that combines the soul of a classic sports car with modern reliability, this is your last chance to buy one new. Now tell me, would you take the Z4 M40i with the manual, or would you wait to see if BMW ever makes an electric successor? Let me know in the comments below. Like and subscribe to help us give this legend the send-off it deserves.